Hi everyone. I don't know if people are watching yet, but I'm trying this and I don't know which way it is. I'm just waiting for it to come up on my Facebook page so I can check. See me trying to bob around the camera here. Well, hopefully it's going live. 1 minute. Can't see any comments yet. So, I think I've got one person watching. Hang on. Oh. Right, not sure how I see comments on this. Oops. Can't see any comments yet. Whoops. There we go, I've sorted it. I need to just turn the sound off. There we go. I'll just wait for a few more people to join, but I had to just pop on because I'm so excited because I've had a delivery today. Can't see any comments yet. Hopefully they'll pop up soon. So I've just come on. You're joining Karen from tillycrafts.co.uk and I'm going to share my brand new machine with you that I've got today, and I'm so excited about it. It's the brand new cut and emboss machine from Stampin' Up. So I'm going to try and flip you down. Oh, hi Halsey. Your comments just popped up so I can see you now. That's fine. Halsey, will you share it to our group for me? Because I have no idea how to do that. I'm not that good at doing stuff. Right, let's have a go at flipping it down. I won't be 1 minute. Right. If you go a bit seasick, I'm sorry. Right, has that done it? Woohoo! You can see me then on the camera. Right. Right, can you see that? Hopefully you can. Can you see my table, Halsey? Because I've switched it round and it's still not caught up, I think. I think it's a bit delayed. Oops, there we go. Catching up. Yes, you can see it. Right, so this is the brand new Stampin' Up cut and emboss machine. It's come today. I've took it out of the box already because I couldn't get the box on my table as well. But you only have to put on this little handle and it comes with an Allen key and a screw. So how good's that? And it's so light, you can pick it up with one hand. It's got quite a bit of weight to it, but not heavy weight, if you know what I mean. And then you just basically pull the sides down like this. How nice is that? It's got a Stampin' Up logo inside. I don't know if you can see that. Let's get it under there. Stampin' Up logo inside. And that's on both sides. How nice is it? I can't wait to have a play. That's brilliant. Right, so what it also came with, so that's the machine. So I'm just going to pop it to one side for a minute and wobble the camera while I'm at it. And it comes with this pack of plates. So in the box you get a base plate, a number 2 plate, 2 number 3 plates which are cutting plates, and a number 4 plate. Now I didn't own a big shop before this, so I'm new to all these plates and what you do with them. Hi there Verity. Hi Rachel. Yes, I'll give you Karen Ladd later. Hi Megan. So it's got instructions on, so it makes it dead easy. So it tells you if you're cutting a die which plates you need, and this one is for the embossing folder. and it says first hinge, so I'm not too sure what that means. And then the bottom one is for 3D embossing folders. So for the 3D embossing folders, the deeper ones, you just need those two. And for the normal embossing folders, you just need the base plate and those two. And then this one is for dies. You add that in for your dies on there. So it's really good. I'm so chuffed. I keep stroking it. And I also want to say thank you to RH Luzon, because my two daughters and my niece gave me loads of birthday money and Mother's Day money. So I didn't have to pay for it. It's all free. So what I thought I'd do was, never used it for, so it's the first time. So I'm thinking we're going to just have an emboss and see what happens. I did actually buy some extra cutting plates because I know that you do have to change them every now and again. So I've got those. Right. Right, let me have a look. Right, so I got a brand new emboss folder today, the snowflakes one, which I did tell Kay that I was convinced I'd ordered the Christmas tree, the trees one, but I've got the snowflake one, which is just as lovely. So we're going to have a go with that. And then I also got the dies from the hoop bundle. What are they called? Pika hoop dies. So I'm going to take this big one out and give this a cut and see what it's like. Oh, and they're well stuck in. Why do they not give us this tape for doing 3D projects, seeing as it's that sticky? There we go. Let's get that out for now. Right, so embossing folder, piece of paper. I'm going to use my Coastal Cabana because I've got loads of it, but I'm sure we'll have nice snowflakes in this colour, non-traditional. And I need the embossing folder. I need, what do I need? I need the base plate and the two cutting plates. So let's see how this works. God, I'm excited. I'm really excited. Right, let's bring this round. So I take it, you load it in one side and then just turn the handle. How good's that? Oh yes. And the best of it is I can sit at my desk doing it. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. How fabulous is that? Oh, this is my favourite. Loving it, loving it. So, next we shall try these Pika Hoop dies. Let's get that. The dies. And let me see, what do we need for this? So, using dies, we need number 1, number 2, and number 3, card and the die, and let's see how this works. Let's bring it round again. Oh, I really like this. Right, let's see if that's cut out. Like I said, I'm not used to this. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, how nice is that? The little tags and that, and it cuts out. There was no pressure on that at all, and it just went through amazing. So I can say I'm one happy bunny with this. And then you just fold it up when you finish. Like that. How good's that? I'm not excited. Really, I'm not excited. And the best bit is I can have it on my desk while I'm filming. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I have got a lot more new stuffs, but I'm not going to do a live with that. I'm going to film it later on because I got quite a lot of new stuffs. And I don't want to keep you all on here. But what have you said there, Halsey? Oh, Susanna, hello. Hello. The handle is so light to turn. Yes, Suzanne, it is. I felt like when I first put it together before I used it, I thought, oh, that feels loose and wobbly. But no, it's lovely. I can't get over it. I am really excited. Looks brilliant. I can't wait. I know you'll be so pleased when you get it. But like I said, because I haven't had a big shop before, so I'll just be getting used to the plates and that. But lots of die cutting coming. I can see it coming out. But oh, I think I've waffled enough anyway. But thank you all very much. It's my first live ever. Thank you very much for joining me, and you never know, I might do a live again soon. Thank you all for joining and supporting me. Speak to you all soon. Bye. Thanks, Megan. Oh, Kayla, hello. Oops, so everybody's joining now, and I've sort of finished because I'm useless. But thank you all very much, and I'll speak to you all soon. See you all again. Bye. I don't know what to do now, but I'm gonna have a go. Thank you.